In this video, I will guide you how to fix Roblox not launching on PS5. Ensure Roblox is not running. If it's open, close the game completely. Go to Settings, then Screen and Video. Select Video Output. Make sure resolution is set to automatic. Scroll down and turn off HDR. Go to Settings, then Network, then select Settings. Select Setup Internet Connection. Choose your current network and go to Advanced Settings. Under DNS Settings, switch to Manual. Set primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Scroll down to MTU settings and switch it to Manual. Set MTU value to 1500. Click OK and let the internet reconnect. Go to Settings, then User and Accounts, then select Other. Select Restore Licenses. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few seconds or minutes. That's it. Roblox should now launch without any issues on your PS5. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.